Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kenang baki samla jogani ke Jela Meghalaya, ki bala pendap ya ki jing pulih haki kerdan baper-baper, kin yo alat ban penpau perthai ya ke sab terekam joki, haki kam babon jaj, bat ban penyo kam ru ya ki haki company ki bapau hakari India hi borokawai. Haka khandai bat ke sipau terek mentau nailor arhajar kat khandai, la penlong ya ke lempong penrongkam haki ars ngilenter, haka ni kenong ba Shillong. Ya kani ke lempong la pelong da ke kenhon IPE Global, ringkat ke jintrelang bat ke Meghalaya State Skills Development Society jong ke sarkar jela bat ke AIDS at Action. Ya kani ke lempong perongkam ke bala pelong HITI Renja Shillong. La pelong lengba ke Supporting Human Capital Development in Meghalaya, bala bepisa da ke Asian Development Bank. Hadu mentah kila don palat sans pangot ki samla ki bala pendap iki jing pulih ki kerdan baper-baper ki bala perong kerteng lengba kum kani ke lempong ban perongkam yaki hakeleng ki company bapau hakeleng ki jela jongkari.
Jingmut hi jongkani ka placement drive kolong baban ICAM yaki khana nama kumbangitip mentah ba ka employment kade ka kawen ki issue ma kawen ki crisis ka ba kabangi tharai hapok ka jela bat hapok ka ri India hingi samjing te kani ka way na ki kumban ongno kata ka gift le ni kata ka jing ai na ka sarkar Meghalaya ba kinu ki khana ki ba kwa ban lej namata le ni ban yo kam yo jam sabar jongka Meghalaya ka government of Meghalaya can cover up everything long kan pelut namata ki khana ki ba kwa ban ki ba kwa ban training sabar ko wengi de ba so thu ba kini ki company ki ba pio isadin jonga hadu khandai teli ki don ki company ki bawan recruit kini ki khana ka long ka jing pelot ka de be na ka sarkar bat ka we ka de ka kam ka bakin yo be ka de sabar kinom yo ka don kala ngala ban ong ba ka don hi ka garanti malumala yakitu ki bakwa ban yo kam sini sapo Meghalaya hi hanre majority hi ka kam kinyo be sabar namar ba kuman ong no katulop ru sabar ka he nang ta sakawer ki certificate ru ka sarkar jong ka Meghalaya kan ai ki nang ta nakani ka IPE Global Agency ka ba recruit yakiru ya kanir ka stipend kin sa ai ki te kalong ka AKA ka ba ngan ong ka ba don box si sa ki khana ki khamtam ki freshers ki to ki ba nang sudap ki graduates mo ki barang sudap ki barang wat jam artan ki bom don problem ban tre sabar te kila ban wan hakan ka event kila ban apply namar ba based on the qualification kin jit yaki but kin sayo ya ka kamro.
We are implementing this project which is given to us by Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, Government of Meghalaya, and this is a one-year project where we have to place 2,600 candidates all outside Meghalaya. And we have today got a lot of organizations who are recruiting candidates, young youth candidates from Meghalaya, and we had about 2,000 footfall already. And the kind of job roles we are providing, it's a whole lot of job roles available, right from hospitality sector to BFSI to BPO, KPO, business solutions, and wellness, hospitality. All those range of job roles are being covered. At least 8 to 10 employers are here who are renowned employers, and we hope that a lot of kids are getting jobs today, and we will very soon get back to them. But what we want is, tomorrow is the last day for this drive, and we request all the youth candidates to come here and make use of this job fair which is going on. Tomorrow is the last day, so they should be here.
Placements of 2,600 youth over a period of 1 year. Now, and this will be outside the state of Meghalaya. So we have industries over here who are hiring from 10th pass, 12th pass, undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, as well as ITI and Polytechnic. One of the unique employment opportunity that we have brought in is actually with Nihon Technologies, a job opportunity in Japan. This is specifically for ITI candidates, for Polytechnic candidates, for BTech graduates who have done programs in mechanical, in electrical, civil and automobile with about 0 to 6 months of minimum experience, and this is an opportunity whereby they would be able to get about close to 1.5 lakh rupees salary per month, go to Japan for a 5-year term, learn a lot of things, and when they come back, they can probably start their own business. So this is there. And other companies are going to be hiring for Mumbai, for Gurgaon, for Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. And this is one of these cities where youth of Meghalaya actually gets excited to work. And work in big companies offering very good package and salaries, good opportunity for career and growth.
We find we met not more than 100 and 150 people we met today. Out of these we have hired 50 people, and I am really looking forward for this program and meeting more candidates tomorrow. And this program has been organized in a very structured manner. Everything is so organized, and we like the people, the kind of enthusiasm people has for this job and the opportunity which CII and the Meghalaya government has done through the joint venture. I think this is really a great initiative, I will say, and as an organization I am always keen to participate in any such initiative in the future also. Okay, I am really looking forward for it.
Hi, I'm Rohit. I'm from Lormo Prem Shillong. So I went for 4 companies: IGT, Sodexo, Kochartech and Equity Right. And out of these 4 I was selected in 2 of them, IGT and Sodexo, but I preferred to go for IGT. And they'll have this interview again on 23rd. I'll be sent for training on 23rd, and by 1st of October I'll be having a placement over there.
Ngakerteng bantelang diang malngang ngasa po Apollo Health Shillong. Ne brokai tikidan chautali ki company te nangtena counseling bangalet ki jet haki sautali ki company banghamlen. Tang ba ngalet tang artli namar kitu ki artli ki relate to finance te marbangadan background in commerce tengah choose bangalet tang ki artli ka equity rights but ka mind solution. Tengalet itu artli te ngasa select hampir artli hi company ban yo ban join ban try haki company. Nerbaki narunang tena counseling hi kelap penting kenapa la defi lihat bahak interview te kin select right there only kan how to kabar bagi interview hang tu hi kin jet hi tu hi.
Kerteng sini kaling dong Sasha Bishnupur kini ke placement teng awan ngam kam tip than rush pangkini ke company semua dia ngila dan counseling shwa ngila lead counseling dia kila I around 5 companies berkila select na benta jangi according to ka profile jangi kan hadin pad nang tu ngila banjet ha engi kwa banlet dia nakitu santli beki ayang ati letang atli koi kedai kani boila but kani equity right ka company dia ka biang dia ka profile ru ka biang kan long kedai ka ikeba ya bekerja kuliah jangan bat kam dan kum ketu kajat kam shania nama shani tie corporate ngim pat dani dia ngatri ka biang